Hey beautiful, it's July, which means I have my monthly Stitch Fix box. This is going to be my July 2021 Stitch Fix. So I'm going to do the unboxing here and the try on. Now, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I have started doing these videos since the beginning of the year. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, you can refer back to the previous videos. I give like really detailed explanation in those videos about Stitch Fix. Some of them I even go into detail on like the checkout process, and I show how the Stitch Fix app works and all of that. So if you want to know that, you can refer back to any of the old videos, and then I'll also have information in the description of this video, just to kind of give you like a little description on what Stitch Fix is if you don't already know. But basically it's a styling subscription service where you have a personal stylist that shops for you and sends you items in a box, and you get to pick how frequently you want your box to be delivered to you. So I do mine monthly, and there is a newer thing now where Stitch Fix allows you to do a preview. So I think this is like my third or fourth time where I've done a preview. So I already hand-picked 2 out of the 5 items that are in this box. So I know 2 out of the 5, but the others are going to be a surprise that my stylist chose for me. So let me pull everything out here. I got the prepaid shipping bag. Whatever you don't love with Stitch Fix, you just send back in the prepaid bag. It's all paid and ready for you to go. And it looks like I got 5 clothing items. So I have fixes that are either mixed between 5 clothing items or clothing and shoes. You can also choose accessories if you want, but I stick with just clothes and shoes. And it looks like this month I got 5 clothing items. So let's open it up and see what we got. All right. So first, I have a pair of shorts. I'm just gonna be honest, I am not I personally don't enjoy wearing shorts. I was gonna say I'm not a fan of shorts. That's a weird statement to make. I just really don't wear shorts personally very often. It's a color that they know I like. I've chosen, I think, a couple pairs of pants from them in this color. It's by the Liverpool brand, which I have several items by Liverpool from Stitch Fix. So I know it's a good brand. The shorts feel very, very soft, but I'm just not a short wearing kind of girl. In the summer, I prefer, I guess, just to do like maxi dresses. Unless I'm like legit like going to the beach or something. Like I'm just not into wearing shorts. So I am going to just say these are a return because I won't wear them. So I'm not gonna hold on to something that I'm not gonna wear. Let's see what else. Okay, this is cute. So I did ask my stylist, so here I said I wear maxi dresses in the summer. I did ask my stylist for some maxi dress options. This one's super cute. So it's almost like a purpley magenta with a floral pattern, but what I'm just noticing right here, this is very, very cute. I actually might keep this just for this reason. It's got almost like a weaved kind of texture just at that front piece. Can you see that? Isn't that really cool? The only thing about this dress, I'll definitely try it on. Oh, it also ties, which is usually really flattering. The only thing about this dress is I have one that's really, really similar. Almost in color, it's floral, it's the exact same cut. It doesn't have the weave pattern in the front though, which I'm really liking. But I'll definitely try this one on, and then I'll also pull out the other one that I've received. It was a while ago from Stitch Fix. I'll pull out that one just so you can see how similar it is, because I think they're really close, and so then I don't really know how often I will wear both of them, but I'm definitely trying that one on because I really actually like that weave portion. Now this was one that was a preview item that I handpicked. So when you do the preview, I think it's 10 items. So Stitch Fix will send you a notification, hey, we're getting ready to put your fix together, and they'll send you 10 items, and you can look at all of them beforehand, and you can pick up to 5 of those, and they include them in your box. Now, I only picked 2, so then they sent me the remaining 3 items, but this was one that I really, really liked. So black kind of t-shirt. It's silky in the front, but it's like cotton on the back. I love that it had, based on the picture, if I'm remembering correctly, yep, it had like dual pockets on the front, buttons on the front, and I think, if I remember correctly, yes, it also ties in the middle. So yeah, it is just a black t-shirt, but it's super cute. It's a little bit dressy, so I definitely feel like this is something you could dress up, dress down, and it's classic black. Can't go wrong, right? So that was one that I knew was coming. Super excited for that. This one I did not know. Okay, so this was a stylist pick for me. Let's get these tags situated here. This is cute. I'm liking the color. I'm feeling a little bit Wilma Flintstone vibes. I mean, but it's cute. I really like the color. I love the sleeves. So it's like a little bit of that almost flowy but kind of capped sleeve at the same time. Am I even making sense? And then it looks like it's got button details all down the back. So I really actually like the color. I don't think I have very much yellow, but I will definitely try that on. That is cute. Silky material. And then this is the second item that I handpicked from my preview. And is this, I think it goes, nope, goes like this. Okay. A cute spaghetti strap flowy top. It's got a little ruching on the neckline here, so I think this stretches out maybe. How does this work? Hopefully I didn't just ruin it. Oh, I think maybe it ties. That might be how it works. But yeah, we'll try this on. I thought it was super cute on the preview. Ties in the front here. So yeah, flowy, kind of silky material. I'm excited to try that on. Okay, now let's see what the stylist had to say. I'm hoping I have the same stylist that I had before. Okay, it says Best Anna, so Anna's still my stylist. I think actually the knit dress I may have selected in the preview. I'm trying to remember. I think I actually did select that maxi dress in my preview, now that I'm thinking back, which I'm surprised I did because I know that I have one that I've worn recently that's similar, but okay, anyways, let's see what Anna has to say. So, hey
Sarah, I hope you are doing well. I'm so glad you liked one of the maxi dresses. I filled the rest of this fix with more summery items to add to your wardrobe. This fix might be a little out of your comfort zone. I think she might be afraid to short. So keep an open mind and be sure to try everything on. Okay, Anna. Okay. First, I chose this fun yellow blouse you can wear with some of the shorts and sandals. Speaking of shorts, I pulled these diverse olive shorts you can wear with the top I just mentioned, or you can wear them with the black knit top you got in your last fix. Lastly, I snagged the purple dress I already mentioned and you picked out. This dress will look great with some wedge heels and a short necklace for a chic summer look. Do you like the styles in this fix? As always, I'm excited to hear your thoughts on these items. Best, Hannah.
Let's go try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so this is cute. This is very me, very much my style. I love that it's flowy. It's got these straps. It does like ruche up. You can tie this here. So it's got the little loop here in the front, but I also feel like these kind of cover it so you're not feeling that much exposed, but it kind of tapers up on the side so it's longer in the back. And in the front, it's very soft, very comfortable. I think this is a win. I could see this with like black pants. Obviously it goes great with jeans. But yeah, I think this is going to be a winner for sure. And let's see, this is the Halter blouse. As far as price goes, this is the shade Off-White Lush Halter blouse, and it is $38. So I think, you know, very affordable for a blouse, and I think it's something that I will get a lot of use out of. All right, and next I have the yellow top. I think it's really cute. This is absolutely my style of shirt. I love the sleeves, so they kind of like meet and fold over here, but they're a little bit loose and flowy. I absolutely love the cut of the sleeves. I think it's very, very flattering. It is a nice cut again of the shirt where it kind of just goes up on the sides a little bit. And again, it's got the buttons on the back. So it's got that detailing, which I think is super cute. I actually think I like it more on than I thought I did opening it up, which is again why Anna says to try everything on. Listen to your stylists. They are right. And let's see, this one is the Laken Lattice Detail Button Back Blouse. That is a mouthful in the color yellow, and it is $58. So I like it more than I thought I was going to. So yeah, I may just have to keep this one as well. I have to say, this is probably the most comfortable pair of shorts I have ever put on. You guys, I did not want to like these, but they are so comfortable. I actually think fit-wise, they're pretty flattering for a short, I think. It's got like a faux fold, so it actually doesn't unfold, but it looks like it's folded on the edge there. Again, it's so comfortable. It fits so well. Anna was right. Anna was right. So the shorts may also be win. I don't know. I just don't wear shorts. Like, that would be the thing. If I wore shorts more often, these would definitely be 100% a keeper. But the thing is I just don't wear them very often. So, but other than that, like, if I was a short wearing kind of girl, like, these are 100% a win. Now, I love the little, again, faux like pocket detail. I think it just adds a little something to the top. And then of course the tie here is super, super cute. It's black, you can't go wrong with the black. I think it actually goes well with the shorts. But okay, let's see as far as price. The shorts are the Liverpool Johnny short in olive, and they are $68, so a little bit pricey for shorts, especially since I don't wear shorts very often. And then the top is the Lucy mixed material tie front blouse, and the color is black, and that is $38. So again, I feel like a really affordable top, and I'm definitely keeping the top for sure. Got just the dress left to try on. All right, and then last we have the Maxi. I do like the color. I love the pattern. Again, I am just obsessed with this detailing at the front here. I think that's super cute. I was not sure if I was supposed to tie it in the front or in the back. I felt like the back, but I couldn't tell from the photo. But it's super soft, super comfortable. I love maxi dresses for the summer. I did grab the other one that I have from Stitch Fix just to show for comparison. So I was thinking in my head it was a similar color. It's totally not. The other one's purple, and you could see, I mean, it's got floral. Obviously I kept this one. This was from an old Fix, but same style of top. However, this one does not have the little detail here, but I was thinking they were too similar, but obviously no, they're very, very, very different. So that is the Maxi. As far as price goes for this one, this is the Daniel Rain Raquel knit dress in purple, and it is $78. And that is the July 2021 Stitch Fix try-on and unboxing. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to like and follow to see more. And if you want to try Stitch Fix for the very first time, I do have a link in the bio where you can try Stitch Fix and get your very first fix risk-free. So again, that link is in the bio. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day.